Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the relocation of the Falmouth Hospital. Now, Hurricane Melissa recently passed through Jamaica. It devastated Western Jamaica. It damaged every hospital in Western Jamaica. The Black River Hospital was demolished. That hospital is on the coast. The Falmouth Hospital was severely damaged. It is also on the coast. The Savlamar General Hospital was damaged, and the Cornwall Regional Hospital, I'm not sure, it suffered some damage, but I don't think it suffered a lot. But that hospital is under renovation, and so it's not at full capacity. Some of the patients from the Cornwall Regional Hospital were actually being treated at the Falmouth Hospital. So the hurricane showed something, it showed how vulnerable the health sector was in Western Jamaica because the hospitals were built, with the exception of Cornwall Regional, which is being rebuilt, and the Children's Western Hospital, which is a new hospital being built beside the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The other hospitals are old, and some of them, like the Falmouth Hospital and the Black River Hospital, are literally built on the coast. So the government realized that this is a serious problem. So they have decided to relocate these hospitals. Now, today we're going to talk about the relocation of the Falmouth Hospital. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has announced that the Falmouth Regional Hospital in Trelawney will be relocated inland as part of a major reorganization of the town aimed at reducing its vulnerability to the intensifying impacts of climate change. Dr. Holness indicated that the hospital will be relocated away from the flood zone with direct access to the North Coast Highway to ensure it remains fully operational when needed most. He added that lands have already been identified for the new facility. An announcement regarding its location will be made soon. Dr. Holness noted that the institutions and infrastructure of the low-lying coastal town of Falmouth were not designed to withstand the climate realities now being faced. He said this led to the flooding of the town, the failure of its drainage infrastructure, and the severing of its road connections during Hurricane Melissa. The Prime Minister explained that this resulted in widespread flooding across the town, the collapse of its drainage infrastructure, and the severing of road connections during Hurricane Melissa. Dr. Holness emphasized that Falmouth must undergo a fundamental reorganization centered on its most critical piece of infrastructure, the drag line. He explained the drag line, the critical drainage canal running east to west through the town, provides a natural organizing boundary. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. We will keep you guys updated on the construction of the new Falmouth Hospital. Alright guys, have a good day.